Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a little bit of an update on this mid-century secretary's desk. Using a simple striate technique, I'll be mixing a glaze and adding a Grasscloth textured look to the entire piece. Leaving the top drawer as is, restoring the natural wood on the base and cleaning up the hardware. So there's lots to do. Let's get right into the video. As usual, I got started by removing the hardware and giving it a good cleaning. I purchased this on Facebook Marketplace from a beautiful Canadian family here in South Florida. It's one of a 5-piece bundle and I plan on using this to house some of my materials and other craft items. Although it's beautiful the way it is, it's a bit too dark and too red for me. Using Dawn Power Wash and a regular dish sponge, I gave it a good scrubbing. This piece was really dirty. It took several rounds of cleaning. I left it out in the sun to dry whilst I worked on the hardware. I initially made a paste with baking soda and barkeeper's friend, but at the end just the barkeeper's friend by itself really cleaned this up nicely. I then scuff sanded the entire unit. Once I was done with the sanding, I cleaned it up and removed the base. After sanding off the paint, I stained it with Minwax Medium Walnut. After taping off just the front trim area, I prime with my usual bin shellac primer. I suspect this one is a bleeder, so I did a couple of coats. I'm using some leftover paint from a previous project for my base color. This is a mix of General Finishes Antique White and Millstone. Next, I did 50-50 clear glaze with a white satin enamel paint. The glaze prolongs the drying process, giving you time to work with the finish until you're happy with it. I applied it with a regular brush and used a 6.5-inch masonry brush to create the finish. I think I forgot to record the part where I was mixing it, so sorry. I worked on an entire section at a time, just brushing on the glaze and then with firm, continuous strokes of the masonry brush. When doing this technique, each stroke is removing some of the glaze, so it's a good idea to have a cloth handy to wipe it off. I kept doing the strokes until it looked the way I wanted, trying to keep it as straight as possible, and I went right off the edges. I finished up with 4 coats of General Finishes Flat Out Flat top coat, and I also applied Fusion Stain and Refinishing Oil in Natural to that top drawer. Once it was thoroughly dried, I removed the tape and attached the base and hardware. Okay guys, here's my new craft cabinet. Thank you for watching. All the materials used in this video are listed in the description. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop it in the comments. I always love hearing your feedback. See you next time.